Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the subtitle text on the VLC application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the More button under the playlist option at the left side on the screen and go to the settings icon. Scroll down and in the extra settings section you can find the subtitles option, and go to the subtitle text encoding button, and here you can find different subtitle text option, and just select one and click to the circle icon and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.